Okay, here we're going to do question 6. The diagram shows a prism. So this is, as I can see, a triangular based prism. So the cross section of the prism is a right angle triangle. So that's this bit here. This is what we call the cross section, kind of the top of the bomb. The base of the triangle has a length 5 centimeters, which is written here, and the length has 25 centimeters, which is there. The prism has a total volume, so the volume equals 750 centimeters cubed. Work out the height of the prism. Alright, so here we have to use the formula for the volume of a triangular prism to work out the height. So I'm going to put the height in here as h. So we know for any prism we work out the cross-sectional area and then multiply it by its length. So the area of a triangle is half base times height. But in this case, our height is just going to be h. We don't know it yet. It's an unknown, right? So the cross-sectional area is going to be half times base times 5 times the height. And then to find the volume, we do the cross-sectional area times the length, which is 25. So this is going to equal the volume, which we already know is 750 centimeters cubed. Alright, so let's do some rearranging here. 5 times 25 is 125, and then I'll just keep it divided by multiplied by a half here. So I'm going to do 125 over 2 times h, so just leave it like that, equals 750. Remembering for algebra we don't always have to put the times there, we can just leave it like this. Okay, so I don't like this divided by 2 here, so I'm going to multiply this by 2, multiply this by 2. That's going to give me 125 h equals 700 and no, not 750. It's been multiplied by 2 equals 1,500. Alright, and then I take this 125 from this side. I want to get h on its own so I can find it or make it the subject, so divide both sides by 125. That gives me h equals 1,500 divided by 125. Now, how do I do this without a calculator? A little bit difficult. What I might do first is divide both sides by 5. I know they're both divisible by 5. So 125 divided by 5 is going to give me 25. And 1,500 divided by 5 is going to give me 300. And then how many 25s are there in 300? Well, there's 4 in 100. So there's going to be 12 in 300. So 25 goes into 300 12 times. So it's going to give me 12. It's going to be the answers. And make sure we got the correct units. It is centimeters. So that is how you do this question.